Okay students, today we will revise present indefinite tense and we will try to make passive voice of present indefinite tense. Okay. First, what is active voice? Active voice or passive voice. Why we use active voice or passive voice? We use active voice or passive voice or voice form of verb to convert the force upon the subject or the object, doer of action or the receiver of action. Okay, so for that reason we use voice. So here we have a normal structure of a normal sentence in which we have subject, okay, then verb and then object. This is the normal structure of the sentence. In present indefinite tense, which is also called simple present tense, you will have subject, doer of action, verb, first form of verb, okay, and then object or the receiver of action. For example, she, here she is what? Subject or object? Subject? Okay. Reads, what is this? Verb. Here read is verb and we have s, okay, we will discuss it. And a book, what is this? This is object. Object or receiver of action. She reads a book. She is subject, object, verb and object. Okay. Now in for you can see that we have s with read. She reads a book. You know that when we have I, we, you, he, she, it and they, in present indefinite we use first form of verb with I, with we, first form of verb, you, first form of verb, and he, she, it. Because they are third person singular, so we use first form of verb with s or es. Just because to mention that these are third person singular. And with they we use first form of verb. So here we have I write a letter. I write a letter. I is what? First person. So we have write. We don't have writes here. A letter. Doer of action. Verb. A letter. Object. Cows eat grass. Doer of action. Subject. Verb. Object. Good. You sing a song. Subject. Verb. Object. Excellent. She makes tea. Boys. She. Verb. How? Subject. Makes. Verb. Good. Tea. Object. Good. They play cricket. Subject. Verb. Object. Good. And now we will change them into passive voice. While changing in them into passive voice, we will make same sort of formula. Okay. Here we have object. Because in active voice we will have subject at first. Because we will have focus upon subject. Now here we will shift focus upon object. Then we will have am, is, are, and then we will have third form of verb, which is also called past participle or perfect form of verb, you can also say. Then by and then doer of action or subject. This is optional. You can write passive voice without them, but you can go with them also. So you have to focus upon the form of verb. You know that we have regular and irregular form of verbs. So you will go with them. You will focus upon form of verb. Which form of verb you have to put here? Okay, you have to put here third form of verb. So I have written all these sentences here. A book dash by her. A book. Here a book was object. Now here it is at the place of subject. We have shift the focus. A book. What will come here? We have, look at this. Object is am, is, are, and then third form of verb. Okay. Here there was another example. He kicks the ball. We convert it like the ball is kicked by him. We have is and then third form of verb kicked. So you will fill these blanks just like this example. Okay. A book dash. What will come here? Is, am, are, or what? Is. Read.
Read.
by her. What is third form of read?
Read.
Read. Okay, third form of read is read. Okay. A book is read by her. Then we have a letter. What will come here? M is R. Is. Okay. A letter is wrote, written by her. Okay. Grass is or was were what? Is eat at eaten by cows. A song is sung by her. No, beta, you. Look at this. You. Cricket is played by what will come here? They will change into them. Okay, they will change into them. Here we have M also, but we have some examples with M. For example, I am loved by my family. Such sort of examples we too have, but most of the time we will have examples with is and are. Okay. Now you have to practice it at home.